The Material World 4. In a narration found in Jami'a number 2380, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised the importance of a balanced diet. He advised that one should split their stomach into 3 parts. The first part is for food, the second part is for drink, and the last part should be left empty for breathing. This diet plan can be achieved when one stops eating before they reach their fill. This was the behavior of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and his companions, may Allah be pleased with them. If people were to act on this advice, they would be safe from both physical and mental illnesses. In fact, according to many knowledgeable people, one of the main causes of illness is indigestion. In respect to the spiritual heart, little food leads to a soft heart, humility of self, and weakness of desires and anger. A full stomach results in laziness, which prevents worship and other righteous deeds. It induces sleep, which causes one to miss out on the voluntary and even the obligatory night prayers. It prevents reflection, which is the key to assessing one's deeds, and therefore changing one's character for the better. The one with a full stomach forgets the poor and is therefore less likely to help them. All these negative effects lead to a hard spiritual heart. The one who possesses a hard spiritual heart will not be safe on the Day of Judgment. Chapter 26 Ash-Shu'ara, verses 88 to 89.
The day when there will not benefit anyone wealth or children, but only one who comes to Allah with a sound heart.
The one who is only concerned about their stomach becomes distracted from more important things, such as learning and acting on religious knowledge. They become so preoccupied with gaining, preparing and eating different types of foods that it consumes a large portion of their time, energy and money. This attitude also prevents one from eating simple foods, which are easier and less time-consuming to prepare and cheaper to buy. Extravagance in food also encourages one to become extravagant in other things, such as one's clothes and housing. This attitude in turn encourages one to earn more wealth in order to satisfy their extravagant lifestyle. This distracts them further from learning and acting on Islamic knowledge so that they can achieve peace and success in both worlds. It can also encourage them towards the unlawful in order to satisfy their extravagant lifestyle. Muslims should know that the most fed in this world will be the hungriest on the Day of Judgment. This is confirmed in a narration found in Jami'a number 2478. Therefore, Muslims should strive to obtain a balanced diet, so that they avoid the negative effects discussed, which will undoubtedly hinder their success in both this world and the next.